Hello student, I hope you all are doing good. Okay, so well, for today's work, we will not go on explanations or given notes and all, okay? This time, I want to give you some activities work, alright? So, the first thing is, from your science lesson number 1, that is seed germination, okay? In this seed germination, what you have to do is, I want you all to grow, okay, and the more you grow the pictures big, the more you will score the marks. See, radicals, this one, plumule, seedling, and cotyledon, all this you have to grow separately, all right? And after you grow this, you have to cut it and paste on a big chart paper, a full chart paper, all right? I'm going to give you two questions, and any one you can do. One is this seed germination, and the other one is from your SST lesson number 9. This is just an example, like means of communication, all right? So in the means of communication, you have loads of things like telephone, mobile, newspapers and all, postcard and all. So many things are there, typewriters and all. So you have to draw by yourself, all right? Draw the pictures by yourself, and after that, all that also you have to cut, paste on a chart paper, on a big chart paper, and after that, one by one, you have to explain in a small sentence, all right? You are going to present that. That is your activities work, all right? Now I'm going to give you an example. Okay, so example, like suppose a season. Your theme you have to write. If I give season, then write season. If you're going to do seed germination, write that. If means of communication, then here you have to write the topic about that, alright? Example, suppose summer. So in summer, the fruits that we get and what kind of things we eat, what kind of things we used to wear, we put, or what do we do. Okay, examples. Now in spring, see, during spring season, how the trees, how the flowers bloom, and what kind of animals or insects we see, what kind of dresses, what kind of things we do. Okay, this type of examples. Now winter. So in winter we wear warm clothes and all, gloves, jackets and all. And during winter, how does the season it occurs? Okay, in winter we feel too cold and we eat this kind of things, we put this kind of things like that you can show, all right? And now comes to autumn. In autumn seasons, the leaves used to get dried, yes or no? And the leaves started falls, and what kind of vegetables, fruits and all we used to get in autumn season. So this is an example, all right? Example of season. So this shows these 4 seasons you are representing, and what you have to do is according to that you have to explain little bit sentence. Summer, then in summer we get this kind of fruit, we eat like that, we wear this kind of things. Summer is like that, this and that you have to explain one by one, all right? So that is the example I'm giving you, and for your topic, for your activity work, that is seed germination from your science and means of communication from your SST. And about this work, you have to do in a full chart paper, all right? Let me show you. See, full size of chart paper. Sometimes before some students, whenever we give you activities work for your chart, for the chart work, some student they used to tear the chart paper into 2 pieces. Okay, so that is not going to accept. I am not going to accept half chart paper, all right? Those who tear your chart paper and do your activities, you won't get a single mark, all right? What you have to do from your full chart paper, and you have to paste the pictures, all right? For your seed or seed germination, I told you, you can do any one topic, any one, all right? If you want to do means of communication, you can pick any 4 or any 5, which will be easy for you. You can draw a newspaper, a telephone, a typewriter, or a computer. Draw in a simple, and then you cut it, paste in the chart paper. Suppose you have a square size of your chart paper. Newspaper you can paste here and write a small sentence, and after that a telephone, a typewriter or a computer, and through that one by one you have to represent the meaning of this. All right, you have to explain little bit. Okay, even for this seed germination also, grow separately. I repeat this again. Okay, grow the picture separately, grow big, and after that cut. Okay, cut and paste on your chart paper. After that you have to explain. If you go through from here till here, you will get an idea. And the one thing is that you can go through YouTube channels and all, and get an ideas and all, how people used to represent, how people used to do their work. Okay, how they used to explain in a sentence. Kids work also you will find in YouTube. All right, so the more you represent nicely, the more you are going to score the marks. All right, so be serious on these activities work also. And I'm going to send you a I will text you in our class group, and after that we will have a video call also. Okay, on next week, coming Monday. So you are getting one whole week from today till Sunday. So try to start prepare your activities work. All right, start working now, because you are getting one whole week. All right, and after this I'm not going to excuse, no excuses. All right, because you are getting sufficient time, sufficient days. All right, and giving you one week doesn't mean that you have to take advantage and all. And you know me very well, I'm very strict on these things. Those who fail to do, it's your loss. Okay, don't think that simply appearing your exams, this is going to help you, this is going to help you passing out your class. Okay, it's not like that this time. Moreover, we are going to have lots of interesting activities, things and all. Okay, so start working from today only, from now onwards. All right, even for the other subject also. Okay, so have a good day.